Hey Ellie, this is John, West Coast Connects. We reached out and spoke with Joe the other day, promised this free video, so here it is. I'm going to keep things really short and sweet. Just want to show you 3 tips that you can do to really maximize your traffic online. So with that, let me get started. First of all, love the giveaway you guys are doing. This is really cool. Help a family in need. It's a great thing. So I commend you for that. And looking through your site, there's just so many things that I really like about what your company does and what you guys are about. So, with that, let me get started. Looking through your site, the one thing I noticed is that you guys don't have a ton of content on your site, and you are being found for quite a few keywords, and you're ranking pretty well for Hawaii roofing, roofing in Hawaii. You can see here you're at the second position for Hawaii roofing, seventh for roofing in Hawaii, sixth for roofing Hawaii, second page, middle or bottom of the second page for most things. You've got that one area where you're on the second spot, but you're not really high enough really to gain a lot of traction for some of these things. And the one thing about content and adding a lot of content is that it's really important where you have those keywords and how often they're on your site. So content's really important in allowing you to get those keywords ranked and in a position to be ranked. If I look at one of your competitors, for instance, this is Elite Roofing. You see the amount of content they have on their site versus yours, right? Like, they just have a ton of content. It's one of the reasons why, even though their site is relatively similar to yours in terms of strength, they're ranked number one and they're getting a lot more traffic. So really important to have a lot of content on your site. It is a ranking factor. It's one of the things that Google looks at when they determine what websites get ranked higher than others. Because at the end of the day, Google kind of feels like if you have more content, you're more likely to be an expert in your field. And not only that, but when somebody does a search, they're if you have more information on your site, it's more likely to get answered with the content that you have. So really important to have a lot of content on your site, specifically content with those buyer intent keywords. So again, if you were wanting to rank for, say, Roofing Companies Oahu, which you are ranking for, you are, let's see, Roofing Companies Oahu, you're on the bottom of the second page. You could probably have that as a heading. You could have it within your text. You can even save an image as that keyword. So instead of this being saved as roofing image right, you could save this as Roofing Companies Oahu, and Google will crawl that and read that. So that would be my first tip, is to add content, specifically content that is buyer specific, that uh, is something that you want to be ranked for. My second tip would just be to continue to build this Google business profile and really put yourself in a position to be found by a variety of different ways. And what I mean by that is, sometimes, a lot of times, there's the local ads at the top. So if I were to search for like Honolulu roofers, right, we have these local ads, and these local ads are a great way to uh, one, be found first, right? They're always there at the top along with the Google ads. For people that click on the first thing they see, it's a great way to get that traffic and get those conversions from those people. And these are really pretty effective in terms of conversion rates. You only get charged for calls and so because of that, most people aren't going to call unless they're really, really like ready to buy. So, usually the conversion rates are pretty high with that. Ads, typically have a much lower conversion rate, but are cheaper than the local ads. But again, they're a great way to get seen early on, and for whatever keywords you're wanting to be ranked for. These Google My Business listings are really effective and sometimes can pull a ton of traffic. We're talking like 40% of the search volume. So on this particular, the Honolulu roofers, for instance, they have 250 searches a month. So you're looking at 100 searches right off the bat going to these top three, and then ranking organically. So if you're running a local ad, you're running ads, you're ranking in the Google business profile, and you're ranking organically, you're going to pull as much traffic as you possibly can. So even looking at Roofing Companies Oahu, I don't see you here either. So there's quite a few keywords that you can potentially rank for and start building up too. So that would be my second tip, is just putting yourself in a position to be found and converted from a wide variety of things. My last tip would just be to continue to build up the strength of your site. And how you do that is by adding referring domains that send backlinks to your site. And you specifically want a lot of do follow links, because those are the ones that are going to give you power. So just to look here, you're 44, 22, 23, and 25. Your competition 31 and 21, so you're a little bit stronger here, not quite as strong here. They do have more referring domains, and they have more than double the do follow links than you have, and they're getting a lot more traffic. You're getting 39 clicks a month, and they're getting 194. So they're getting almost 6 times, a little over 6 times the amount of traffic that or almost 6 times the amount of traffic that you're getting. So I think those three things will really help in boosting you guys up and getting you more volume and traffic. I hope this has been helpful and informative. I love learning about your company. Your husband's from San Clemente, which is about 30-45 minutes from where I'm from currently. I would love some feedback on this video if you can. My contact information is in the email. I also have a link to our Google Calendar. If you'd like to schedule a time to meet, please feel free. Myself or my business partner Jackie would love to get in touch with you at whatever time fits your schedule. So with that, have a great day and God bless. Thank you.